Allama Iqbal quotes words that awaken sleeping nations. A nation that does not respect its elders will never be great. A nation that puts its women in chains will never be free. A nation that suppresses its intellectuals will never progress. A nation that does not value its language will never survive. A nation that is not prepared to make sacrifices for its freedom will never be truly independent. My message to the sleeping nations is this: awaken, arise, and shake off the shackles of oppression. Awaken the minds of your people and fill them with the light of knowledge. Awaken the hearts of your people and fill them with the fire of freedom. Iqbal's message is a call to action for all Muslims. It is a call to break the chains of oppression and to fight for freedom and independence. It is a reminder that knowledge is power and that the minds of our future generations must be filled with the light of Islam. So let us all take inspiration from Allama Iqbal and strive to make our nations great again. Let us fill our minds with the light of knowledge and our hearts with the fire of freedom.